How you doing, guys? This one have some issue. Let's go check it. I don't know what is wrong, but it's smoking. It's looking nice. Okay, let's take out some parts. Down. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah. See this one? Let's suck water. That's it, we find the problem. Okay. It's flooded. Damn. SL550. 2003. That is a fun part. Have a chance. It's broken the lifters or rocker arms. So let's take off the valve covers and let's see. Finger cross. So this side, first I didn't see any exactly damage, so let's take it up to the other side too. Let's see. So this side, the same thing. It's nothing exactly. Look like it's nothing broken. But you see that the oil is very wet. So let's see. Take it out the oil filter and drain the oil. Let's see. Here is even the tensioners is good, so the chain it's not loose. So let's take it. Check this, guys. It's creamy. Okay, need to drain the oil right away. I need to order the filter. Okay, I'll order the filter and drain the oil. Check the air filter too. So the both sides, I just want to take it out. Look at that. This is wet. Wet. Look at that junk. Other side too. It's molded. Okay, this one needs to be dry out. Come on, wait. So let's check what's coming. Just the washer too. Okay. Save that. Oh, creamy. A nice caramel. Nice caramel. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Whoa. That's not even drained. Oh my goodness. Okay. Still a little bit. So here is right now, just training. Just wait a little bit more. Wait a little bit more and let's see how it's coming. I already ordered the other filter too, and right now I'm just putting in a cheap sheet oil. It doesn't matter, it will be if it's everything's work, it's take 2 or 3 oil change to clean all the system. So let's see. I not even change any seal, because doesn't matter, we have 3 more oil change, so doesn't matter what happens. Yeah, this one take 8 quarts. So ready 5. So no air filter right now, but let's see how it's go. I just want to drop down all the way. There you go. No air filter. My battery is dying. Smoke break. Always smoke break. Okay, so this is not right. Hey guys, this is the next morning. Here's a Mercedes. So the plan is right now, and this project can wait. So show up we have misfire cylinder 1 and cylinder 2, and the clicking noise is still on, so engine need to be came out. But the good news is we have a spare engine. We have another engine, but that one is 4matic. So let's see check that. Yeah. So here we have here a spare engine. This is from the junkyard, so we can fix anything, but it's have more important things. My beauty. Hey, who remember? Oh look, this was my tires. My tires is just give up. I don't understand why, because I drive careful. See, I have brand new freaking tires, man. Cheap ones. So whatever. Here is a Dodge Ram. Overheat. This is more important. 5.7 Hemi. And the sticking. Tack 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 tack. So it's no good. And here I have another one. Uh, this one not taking, not taking, not overheat. This one have another problem. This one have a cylinder number 2 misfire, and have a new coil, have a new spark plugs, have a new injector. I replaced it before the intake gasket, and I measured the compression ratio too. Everything's fine, but the problem is the intake valve. It's not enough movement, so the camshaft need to be replaced, and lifters need to be replaced, so the engine needs to be came out. And this one is more important than that beauty. So 5.7 Hemis. Okay guys, so I didn't make every car for the videos, just a couple of the important project like this beauty. So I will do the next part when I do this one. Okay, right now I just put it back everything together and just put end of the back of the yard. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I have a new channel for sailing, SV Viator. So please, if you have a time, just check that. It's up here. Okay, I'm putting over there to the link. So see you in the next one.